Welcome to the Cybersecurity Certification Center. This is Lawrence Wilson here in Silicon Valley. Today I'd like to share with you a Microsoft security workshop specifically on managing identity, aka Microsoft Active Directory. This Microsoft training program is known by the code term MS-40552. Now, this particular training program, as the name suggests, will focus on securing Active Directory from all different aspects of your Microsoft AD environment. And there are 4 key training modules that comprise this program. First of all, managing identity. Second, securing AD, Active Directory. Third, Active Directory and Privileged Access Management, or PAM. And finally, Azure Active Directory, Azure Cloud, Active Directory Lab work, including Active Directory, PAM, and just-in-time administration. So there's a lot here packed in to this one training workshop from Microsoft, which can be really valuable to those of you who are working from a security perspective, working with Active Directory, and particularly, but not exclusively, serving with Active Directory in a Microsoft Azure cloud environment. So to learn more about this valuable training program, simply click on the link below this video. Our website, as always, has the complete course curriculum, all the details about the learning objectives, the skills that you'll gain, and how you can register today and begin advancing your security career in a Microsoft Cloud and specifically Active Directory environment. This is Lawrence Wilson for Cybersecurity Certification Center. As always, I wish you much success with